Hello and welcome to my video. It's a pleasure for me to have you here. A few days ago I was in the woods called the Harz. It's an area in Germany and most of it is protected as a nature reserve. To walk through, spending time in it is relaxing, and this time I went to a small lake, choosing this place for my recordings. You will join me on two journeys, one to the woods and one into the world of web components. In recent years, the interest and use of web components in the community have increased significantly. Most front-end frameworks adopt the web component standard, and many developers have started using the norm when creating their widgets. Not to mention that it is now natively supported by all modern browsers. How to use the interoperability and flexibility of web components as Java developers on the server side. This video shows the use of pure client-side web components using Java or Kotlin on the server side. With the usage of different technologies in one stack and the increasing convenience for you as a developer, the security part is more important as it was ever. But how to get the overview about the full impact graph based on the known vulnerabilities? How to check all transitive dependencies against compliance issues, and how to do this as early as possible, even inside your private open source project. We will have a look at the tech stack, how it looks like for you as a server-side developer, and how to harden against known vulnerabilities for free. All tools and components I will show you are open source or free to use. After this presentation, you will be able to follow up all steps and you are ready to go. See you at my talk at DevNexus.